my Didge family. How are you this week? Didge Mother here, and this week we're gonna talk about something that seems super easy, but it's completely not. It's making the sound super smooth while circular breathing. If you ever want to play sort of meditatively, then this is the thing you want to learn. Okay, so let's see what we need to do to get it going. First of all, we need to look at all the elements we can use for circular breathing and make it smooth and slow. So the first thing we're gonna look at is the cheeks. We're gonna start, of course, with the cheeks flat, like always, then puff out the cheeks slowly and make them flat again. Let's see how that works. Just without circular breathing, try to get it. And with the cheeks, often I use a mirror because we're not so aware of these cheeks. So just mirror it and see if they're moving slow out, slow in. Now the next thing we're gonna look at is the jaw. The jaw can go down and can go up. So let's do that smooth as well. Here we go. With these things, try not to change the drone in notes. So don't go, or with the cheeks also same. Keep the speed of the lip the same. So not. Yeah, very important, because that also, it's very clear that something is happening that we don't want. And now the most important thing, the tongue. We go from front, tongue goes backward, and here we go, without circular breathing. Again, try to do it as smooth as possible, slow as possible. And so these are great exercises. Now we're going to try to combine it. So the circular breathing, when your tongue is in the back, it's going to close, go to the forward, E. And we're going to support it with the cheeks puffed out, going to flat, and jaw down, going to up. That's going to be it to make it as smooth and relaxed and slow as possible. Here we go. And again, try to see your body as a pump. So the moment you're doing circular breathing, try to just relax your belly comes out. And it's all quite slow. So now the circular breathing, the timing can be, yeah? Try to make it as long as possible, as smooth as possible. It's actually, yeah, really tricky. I never practice it a lot, so for me it's always searching. So if I have to do sort of a meditative kind of thing, I am practicing a little bit, yeah? So look at this amazing location. Wow, it's gorgeous. Whee! Let's see if we can take you down, show you. Whee! Look at that. This is Friesland, my friend. I'm doing a project here with some amazing artists. And I'm super happy to be here. Tomorrow morning we have to get up amazingly early for a sunrise concert with a dancer and beautiful things, and talking about the earth and how important she is for us. So my brothers and sisters, I'll leave you with that. Please Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. See you next week, lovely people. Ciao.